Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a PR haul unboxing and let's just jump into it. First of all, thank you so much to every single brand mentioned that has sent me something. I appreciate each and every one of you and I don't take it for granted. So I just want to share with y'all what I got. So let's go ahead and jump into this. So the first package that I got was a package from Moda Brushes. And so when you get it, you get a box that says Moda Mavens on it. So, I mean, the box itself is so beautiful. I kept one in my background for like the longest time just because I thought it was so pretty. But if we open this up here, there are this one, which is the Moda Mythical, and this set, okay, so it comes with 6 pieces, and it's got this like dark dragon, like kind of scales looking thing, so it's very like Game of Thrones-esque. I love it so much. So it comes with, let's see here. So there's a powder brush, a contour brush, a blender, a smudger, and a lip brush. So this one is really, really pretty. It's got kind of like a rainbow holographic, but with like little scales on it, look on the brushes. So I'm actually really excited to try that. And the next one is the Moda Mythical, and this is the blue one. And this one comes with a flat kabuki, an accentuator, a small eye shader, a super crease, and a line brush. So these are the 2 brush sets here. So thank you so much to Moda for sending these over. I'm really excited to play with them. I love this design right here. I love these little scales on here. So let me see here. They sent over some information. So that blue kit is only $19.99 for all of those brushes. And then the other kit is $23.99. So thank you so much for sending those over, Moda. And I'm gonna go ahead and set this down. All right, so the next package that I received was from Wander Beauty. So thank you so much to Wander Beauty. It says gorgeous on the go. And I got to hook up with the people at Wander Beauty at the dinner for Julia Salvia. She always does the beauty dinner in New York, and it's just really nice to get to see all of the people there and, you know, just get to say hi from year to year. It's really cool. So the first thing they sent over are these baggage claim gold eye masks. Now I love these. I have them in gold and in the rose gold, which is really, really pretty as well. These are really great because one of the best things is they stick on, they won't fall off. So it's not one of those where you have to lay down. You can walk around and do whatever you need to do to get ready and then just peel these right off, and it's like nice and tight and bright underneath the eyes. So I really love these. And they're so, so good. So if you haven't checked them out yet, I know you can get them on Sephora and you can get them on their website as well. So I will put a link in the description box if you're interested for any of this stuff. And then the other thing that they have is the Wanderous Rush palette. Now I am a big lover of the Wanderous palettes from Wander Beauty because they're perfect. Actually, I'm wearing one today. I'm using Off Duty on my eyes right now. And the cool thing about these, the pan sizes are pretty large, which is nice, but I love that the colors, you get 6 of them in a perfectly like coordinated small cardboard container, yet it still always has a mirror. So I love that. These are so easy to travel with. It's really easy to put in your makeup bag to go. But this one has really pretty shades. So it's got like kind of a pink shade, and these are like 3 different ones that are, ooh, this one too, that are kind of like metallic, and then a couple of dark matte shades. So I'm really excited to try this one out. Okay, so the next box is actually from CoverGirl, and it's not directly from CoverGirl, it's from a third party called Influenster. I've talked about them before. You can go on, sign up, do quizzes and review products, and sometimes you're chosen for what they call a Vox box, where a brand will send you out some products and you can test it out. So this is one of those times when that happens. So they sent me out this, and it is part of their True Blend collection. So what they sent over, so the first thing is this loose mineral powder, and this is the CoverGirl True Blend Minerals. And so it's just like a, it's not quite translucent, is it? Are they saying translucent? It looks like it's more like in like a light color, not quite translucent, but maybe that's just me in this lighting. The next, ooh, this is cool. So this is the True Blend Super Stunner. So this is a highlighter. So this is really, really cool. I haven't seen this yet, and I'm really excited to try this out. It's kind of like a champagne-y color, but yeah, and what's the color on this? It's called Pearl Crush. Okay, perfect. This I've actually heard really good things about from other people online, so I was really excited to try that. I heard that this might be a good replacement for the Tarte Shape Tape at a drugstore price, and so I was really excited about that. The color itself looks really light, so like super duper light. It is in the color Classic Ivory, so I feel like this might be a little bright, but definitely at the very least I could use it for eyeshadow primer or for maybe a little bit mixed in with another concealer underneath the eyes. And then the last thing that was sent over is the CoverGirl True Blend Base Business Moisturizing Base. So this is interesting. So this is a primer, and I will try this out. I was really hoping to try out one of their actual foundations in True Blend because I heard it's really good, but that is not in this box. But thank you so much to Influenster for giving this box over. And then the next thing that was sent over, this is from Rimmel London. So thank you so much. First of all, can we talk about this bag? It's so like holographic and cool. Okay, so this package was actually really, really full. Hold on, let me get it all out here. So first of all, there are 3 different eyeshadow palettes. These are pretty cool. I haven't seen Rimmel have like these longer eyeshadow palettes like this. Have you guys seen that? If you have, let me know. This one kind of gives me vibes of like not Naked Cherry, but gosh, what is that other one? Almost like one of the Naked 3, you know, like that rose tone one. If you take out this pop of blue, I feel like it kind of gives me that vibe. And then there's this one. This is the Rainbow Edition. So really pretty colors in here. That's actually really cool. And then the last one is called Thunderstorm. And you know what? This one kind of gives me vibes of Anastasia Beverly Hills, you know, what was it, Subculture palette with that green and like that kind of neon yellow. So these are really, really pretty. Each one of them has like an interesting pop of color, like the blue or the green. I'm excited to try these, but I think I will probably, this rainbow one, I'll put in a giveaway because I know myself and I'm a basic bee and I'm not that adventurous when it comes to color. So while it would be nice to have this palette, I feel like someone else would probably do it better justice. So I'll end up tossing this one in a giveaway. All right, so the next things that they sent over, ooh, nice. Oh, there's a couple of them. Okay, so let me gather these. These are their what are they calling them? Wonderful Brow. Okay, so it's kind of like a brow mascara gel all in one. Oh, it says it's waterproof as well. So they have dark brown, medium brown, and blonde. So actually, I'm really excited about this. I'm getting more into brow gels, not just to set, but just to actually have color. So I've been using sometimes the Glossier Boy Brow, but I'm really excited to try this. I will probably set aside the blonde one for the giveaway because knowing myself and my eyebrow color is probably too light for me, so I don't want to go ahead and open it and waste it when someone else could use it. So, all right, so the next thing that's in here is going to be, oh, nice. Okay, so one is the Ultimate Boost, and it's a mascara primer, and then the other is the Scandalize Volume Flash mascara in black. So this I'm actually really excited about. I am starting to wear more mascara. I'm trying at least to do that. We'll see how that goes. I'm super excited about this because I have not tried this and I am always on the hunt for the perfect black eyeliner. This is the Scandalized Gel Eyeliner. Even comes with a little brush, and the black is just, it says up to 24 hours, and it says it's waterproof and in super black. So I'm excited to try this. And then there are a couple other things here. This is the Wonder Swipe 2-in-1 liner to shadow. What? 2-in-1 liner to shadow. Yeah, that's what it's saying. Interesting. So this is in the color Yas, and this is in Out Out. I don't know what that means. One looks kind of blue, one looks kind of like pink pearlescent. I'm excited to try that, so I will give that a shot. Last couple things in here. It says Stay Matte Liquid Lip Color, and this is, where are their colors? Rosetto. Nope, they're both Rosetto. Okay, one says Pitch Black and one says Shadow. But both of these are liquid lips, and one is like gray and one is like black. And honestly, I won't use these. I just know myself, so I will also put those in a giveaway in the future. And then this is maybe something I would use. These are some of the lipsticks in the Extreme, what's it, the Lasting Finish Extreme lipstick. And one is 825 extra and the other is 830 off black. So I won't use the off black, so I won't swatch that one. I will put that in a giveaway. But this one, oh, this is that one. I have tried this before where it has like the curve indentation that will fit your lip. These are actually really cool. They're very comfortable on the lips. So this I will totally use, and I love this color. So perfect for fall. Thank you so much, Rimmel. That was so much stuff. I appreciate you. Thank you. And okay, so there's 2 last things that we have to get through. So first of all, I have to say, wow, thank you so much. Laura Mercier, I was so like taken aback when I got this box. I was like, are you sure you have the right girl? I don't even know. But I'm very, very thankful. So let's go ahead and go through what I got. So first of all, I mean, let me show you guys this box. Like, look in here. This is insane. It's like, how do they even know who I am? So these are some of their Radiance Baked Powders, a face illuminator, and a face illuminator. Okay, let's go through this real quick. So I will try and speed through this. But this is the illuminator, like highlight. Ooh, it says the highlight 01. So it's kind of like pinky and kind of golden at the same time. This one is really beautiful. Can we talk about their packaging, how like luxurious it is? It's so nice. Okay, so I love how these are all like Indiscretion, Addiction, Devotion. Right, those are just fun names. Oh my God. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see. If you can see the texture in here, this is beautiful. This is so pretty. So it's got pink with kind of like gold in it. This is seriously beautiful. I don't know how I'm supposed to do this. Put it in the lid. And they're calling this, yeah, just Face Illuminator. And let's look at this. Oh my gosh. This is Addiction. Wow, it's straight like a gold bar. And I don't know if you can see like how just like reflective and metallic it is. It is stunning. Oh my gosh. So pretty. And the last color is called Indiscretion. Wow. Okay, first of all, oops, lost a little plastic thing. This is beautiful, first of all. I feel like this would be dark as a highlight on me. Really good eyeshadow or something, but this might be something that I would consider putting in a giveaway just because it would be a shame to just have it be an eyeshadow when it's so beautiful, and it would probably look so gorgeous on someone with a deeper, darker skin tone. Oh, I can just imagine how beautiful it would be. So maybe I will set that one aside. So the next thing that's in here, this is their translucent loose setting powder. This is the Glow Powder, which I've never tried before. I've only ever tried the regular, and it's not even like the full-size one. It was like the mini that you get at the Sephora cash wrap. But this looks beautiful. So, and the packaging is so like heavy duty. It feels so nice. So I'm really excited to try that one out. And then this is the Flawless Skin. What? This is a rose moisturizing glow mask. This is skincare. I didn't even know that they really did like skincare. Is that a thing? Is that really a thing? Let me see what it says. It says leave on for 10 minutes and then residual product to wipe off. What? Okay, this is really cool. I'm gonna totally have to try this. I'm really excited for that. And the packaging, it's like the best color ever. Seriously, so cool. All right, this is the foundation primer in hydrating. Oh, sweet. So before they had sent a regular of the foundation primer, which was special to me because I wore that on my wedding day, but this is really neat because it's the hydrating one, and I've heard really good things about that. I totally want to try it, and as it's turning into winter months, my skin is getting really dry, so I'm thinking this would be a great primer to try out soon. Very excited about that. Okay, and last but not least, they sent over 2 of their caviar sticks. These are so great, no muss, no fuss. You wipe this on the lid, kind of pat it out with a finger or something, and it's one-stop color shop for your eyes. They sent over Mystic Gold and Metallic Taupe. So thank you so much to Laura Mercier for sending that huge package over. Again, I was just blown away, and thank you. Thank you so, so much. All right, I got one last package to open with you guys, and let's just get into this. Wow, thank you so much to Shani. And anytime a brand sends over like a handwritten note, I always read them. I always actually save them, keep them. These mean so much to me because to know that someone actually took the time to write something to me, it always makes me feel so happy. So they sent over quite a lot. So this is the detail. Oh my God, it's a brush cleaner in a spray. That's so smart. So after you're done using it, you spray it and you just kind of give it a quick once over so you can in between your brush washes. That's brilliant. Okay, so I did not realize that this is all from Shani, by the way. I'm sorry if I didn't mention that. I did not realize that they had all of these like eyeshadow palettes. I just thought they were brushes. I didn't know they actually had makeup. So this is really cool. So this is an eyeshadow palette, and I don't know if they have a name for this. The All Day Affair. This is the All Day Affair, and this is nice because it looks like it has a lot of like neutrals and kind of like fall colors. I love that. And then this is the Totally Natural 12 color eyeshadow palette. So they have basic tones and everyday colors, and I would say absolutely this is true. They've got some like purple mauves in here, which are totally my jam. They've got kind of like a deep royal purple down here, and then kind of a light cream up here. So, and then a couple of golds. So this is totally up my alley. I'm excited about this. And then this is what, oh wow, this isn't, what? I thought this was brushes too. It's not. This is an entire concealer, foundation, contour, and blush 4-layer kit. This is insane. Okay, wait, let's look. I was not expecting this. Okay, so it comes like in a booklet, almost like this. Wow. Oh, and they're numbered like 1, 2, 3, 4. Probably like in the order in which you would put stuff on. So if you see it, it says cream concealer, color correction, foundations, powder contour and highlight, and then powder blush. This is so interesting. It's like a DVD case like there. Okay, so let's look at this. Cream concealers and color corrections. Whoa, this is cool. So it has all these different colors and all these different, wow. So color correction over here, cream concealers. This is really cool. And it has a mirror in it as well. So that's really awesome. So the next thing is it's a foundation and cream contour and highlight. So this one is, 6 pans, but wow, this is really cool. To be honest, I don't use a lot of cream products only because I'm kind of a wuss, and I feel like it's too hard and complicated for me, and it's harder to blend out than like powder, but I'm trying to venture more into it, especially, like I said, my skin is drier in the winter months, and I feel like cream is better for sometimes drier, so I'm gonna have to give that a shot. And then they have the same, but this is powder contour and highlight. So they've got the cream ones for foundations and cream contour and highlight, and then they have the powder version. So that is actually really cool. They've got a yellow shade. They've got some really dark shades, which maybe you could use as, you know, like the contour or a bronzer type. And then this is powder blush. Oh, I love powder blush. Like palettes. Oh, look at these. First of all, these colors. They have everything from like a peachy with some shimmer, darker maroon, kind of like almost like a cherry. And then like, oh, this one reminds me of like the NARS Orgasm. And then this one is just like more pinky. So I'm actually really excited for this. I love when like there are little cardboard flat palettes like this with a variety of colors for traveling. It's so easy and convenient if you can just like stack these up. Imagine if you had everything that could fit for your face all in that little container and then it wouldn't break during travel. That would be really cool. And the last thing that's part of this package is from Shany. It is this is what I was thinking was going to be sent over, was their brushes, because that's what I know them for, are their brushes. Their brushes are actually really great. I've used them before, and I had them from actually the last Gen Beauty dinner that we had with Julie Salvia. So this is the Artisan's Easel. It's a brush stand with 18 brushes, starting from like kind of a flat buffer, cheek one, all the way down to like eyeshadow one. So I already know I really like these brushes, so thank you again for this. So that's everything that I got in the PR haul. I want to say thank you again to every single one of the brands that send me anything. I appreciate you so much. I hope you enjoyed opening with me and seeing everything that I got. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I will see you in a video very soon. Bye!